Welcome to Timeless Tales, where the past speaks to the present. Today, we continue the story of Prophet Adam, AS, Part 3. When Adam and Hawa were sent down from paradise, everything changed. No more light. No more peace. Just earth, vast, silent, and unfamiliar. They were separated, alone on different parts of the world, calling out to their Lord, and to each other. Adam, AS, wept. For years, he asked Allah for forgiveness, his heart full of sorrow and repentance. Then, mercy arrived. Allah accepted their repentance. And finally, Adam and Hawa found each other again, at the plain of Arafah. From there, the human journey began. Earth became their home, and our story took its first